Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the conversion trigger we are trying to create is of the thank you page that comes after a customer purchases anything from this website. So first of all, search for Google Tag Manager and make sure that your account is logged in. Now open Triggers tab from the left side menu and click on New. A pop-up will be displayed. Select Page View for the trigger type and checkmark Some Page Views. Now paste in the URL of the page you want to use as a trigger. In our situation, it is the thank you page. Then save View clicking on the respective embed. To create a new tag for the trigger, first open the Google Ads website and log in using your account. Then navigate to Goals, then Conversion and select Summary. After that, select New Conversion button and select Web. Now enter the domain of your respective website. Scan it and choose the feature named Add Conversion Action manually. A pop-up will appear. Choose Purchase in the first option and name the conversion action. Then just copy the check marks from my screen and click on Done. After that, click on Agree and Continue button and select Use Google Tag Manager. Now go back to the Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select the Ads Conversion Tracking as its tag. Then paste the conversion ID and conversion label from Ads Manager and scroll down to select the previously created trigger for this tag. Now save it and create a new tag. But this time, select the tag as Conversion Linker and choose All Pages as its trigger. Click on Preview, paste in the website's link and check if the trigger is working correctly. So that's how you can set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.